Are you struggling to create an effective workout program? An effective workout program is like a roadmap to achieving your fitness goals. It guides you, keeping you on track, while also ensuring your safety. Many stumble by not considering their unique needs, body type, and fitness level. Some may overload their routine, risking injury or underload, leading to stagnated progress. It's not just about lifting weights or running miles, it's about crafting a balanced, tailored routine. Understanding the basics is key to creating a workout program that works for you. The first step in creating an effective workout program is setting your fitness goals. Now, let's dive into that. Goals are like your fitness compass, guiding you in the right direction. They provide focus, motivation, and a clear way to track your progress. But what makes a good fitness goal? Well, it's not just about saying I want to lose weight or I want to gain muscle. It's about being specific. How much weight do you want to lose? How much muscle do you want to gain? And by when? Your goals can be diverse. You might want to improve your endurance, get a better night's sleep, or even run a marathon. They should resonate with your aspirations and be realistic to your current fitness level. And remember this little acronym, SMART. Your goals should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. This way, you're not just dreaming about success, you're planning for it. Remember, your goals should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Once you have your goals set, it's time to choose the right exercises. This is where the magic happens. In this process, it's essential to understand the two main types of exercises, cardio and strength training. Cardio exercises like running or swimming focus on improving your heart's health and burning calories. They're excellent for those interested in weight loss or general fitness. On the other hand, strength training exercises like weightlifting or bodyweight exercises help build muscle and improve bone health. They're perfect for those aiming to gain muscle mass or enhance their strength. Now let's say your goal is to lose weight. A combination of cardio exercises, such as cycling or high-intensity interval training, along with some strength training, would be ideal. If you're aiming to build muscle, focus more on strength training exercises like squats or bench press, while still incorporating some cardio for overall health. Remember, choosing the right exercises is crucial to achieving your fitness goals. Now, let's design your workout schedule. A well-balanced workout schedule is the key to achieving your fitness goals. It's not just about hitting the gym every day, but rather creating a plan that incorporates a variety of exercises and ample rest days. The secret is in the balance. Mix up strength training, cardio, flexibility exercises, and rest days to keep your body guessing and your muscles growing. Rest days are just as important as workout days. They give your body time to recover, rebuild, and become stronger, so don't skip them. As you progress on your fitness journey, you'll need to adjust your workout schedule. If you're not seeing the results you want, it might be time to switch things up. Add more weight, try new exercises, or throw in an extra rest day. Remember, your workout schedule isn't set in stone. It's a living document that changes as you grow and evolve. A well-designed workout schedule keeps you motivated and prevents workout plateaus. Creating an effective workout program is not as hard as it seems. It all starts with setting your fitness goals. Once you've got those in mind, choosing the right exercises becomes a breeze. Next, you design your workout schedule that fits in with your lifestyle. It's a simple yet powerful formula. But remember, it all boils down to one thing: consistency. Stay steadfast on your path, keep pushing, and you'll start seeing results before you know it. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to your program, and you'll see results in no time.